Hey everybody, I'm Raksha, and in this video, I'll be talking about different types of actions which are available with button in Power BI. So let's get started. So simply, I'll go to buttons and I'll add a blank button right here. I'll bring this here and give it some random shape. Okay, and as you can observe, we have got this format pane under which we have got different type of actions. So just turn it on, expand the button, and under the type you shall see that we have got different type of actions. So this is back, bookmark, drill through, page navigation, Q&A, and web URL. So the idea of all the video is to explain these actions one by one. So in this video I'll be covering page navigation. Okay, so let's get started. So currently we have got this page Raksha. I'll be adding another few pages. So let me just name it as, let's say, Karan, another page as Kamal. Okay, and what I'll do is I will give some name to this button. So for that I'll go to style, and here I will turn it on the text and I'll call this as Kamal. Okay, and I'll simply copy this, and I will name this as Karan. Okay, so for page navigation, what you have to do is you have to simply direct that one page source has to land to some different destination page. So if I'm on page Raksha and I want to add some navigation on this page, so I will say that this button Kamal should take me to this page Kamal, this one. Okay. Similarly, if I want to go to this particular page, I'll hit on this button. So how do we bring this into action? So for Kamal, I'll click on this. I'll go to actions, and here I will choose page navigation as my type. And under destination, you shall see that other than Raksha page, we will have all the rest of the page as our destination option. So we have current, Kamal, and none. So I'm on Kamal button, so I'll click on Kamal as my destination. Similarly, if I hit on current, so I will say that my destination should be current. Okay, now this is done. What I'll do is I'll simply control click. So as you can see, from Raksha we have landed to Kamal. I'll go back to Raksha and I'll hit this button now. So you can see that I'm from Raksha, I have landed to this page Karan. So I hope the demo was easy enough. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.